All right, thanks for clicking that link. So, little different video today. I'm here with my new Vans Skate High MTE 2 winter boots. I'm really excited about getting these out of the box, but I want to take a minute, first of all, to talk about that acronym. So the M stands for moisture management, the T stands for thermal regulation, and the E is traction in elements. Vans is nothing new to the winter boot game. As a matter of fact, they have over 20 years experience of making snowboard boots. So the top of the MTE line is actually the snow line, which is pretty much their snowboard boots, which are awesome. Then down from that is the MTE 3. The MTE 3s all have standard Gore-Tex lining, 3M insulation, and an all-track outsole. Now mine are the MTE 2. The MTE 2s you can get with a Gore-Tex lining and a 3M insulation, so they come in a couple different levels. But in the Skate High, there's over 15 different styles. And it was important for me, since I'm wearing these at work, to have a style that didn't look like a tennis shoe. This MTE 2 has a HydroGuard 360 membrane for moisture management, a PrimaLoft insulation that mimics down insulation for thermal regulation, and then the all-track outsole for traction in all the elements. So I'm really excited to put this thing to use. Let's get these things out of the box, huh? Okay, so now that I got these out of the box, the PrimaLoft feels really soft, and you can feel the insulation across the toe, and then the all-weather surface here, along with this super grippy sole. The thing I love most about this boot though is how light it is. It's not really much heavier than, say, like a basketball high-top tennis shoe average would be. It's incredible how light it is. So tomorrow these things are gonna hit the ground, and I'm gonna put a lot of miles on my shoes. I put a lot of miles on my feet. I'm outside in the cold, I'm in all the elements. I'm in and out all the time. So I will put them to use tomorrow. We'll hit these things on the pavement. I've got an app I can use on my phone to track how far and how many miles I put on these things tomorrow. The new Skate High MTE 2 winter boot from Vans. All right, so I'm gonna do my best to test these in all the elements here. So, just had this crazy freak hailstorm coming down. Check out the boots. Woo! Oh shit. Okay, well, I'm gonna go back inside because this is a little too extreme. Even just messing up the camera. All right, I gotta get inside. as you can see, I am clearly soaked head to toe here. I'm like literally sleep falling off of me. I did feel some water kind of come in through the top here. Through the top, I think it's like it literally was coming in through here. So I did feel a little moisture through the tongue on this foot. This foot completely dry, but you see my pants completely soaked just from that short little walk. So that's how hard it is coming down. It is dumping buckets out there, but the MTE Vans are getting it. All right, thanks for sticking around this long. In conclusion, these Vans boots are hands down the coolest winter boot I've ever had. I was born in Montana, raised in Alaska, so I've had a lot of snow boots over my lifetime. These things are the lightest, warmest, and they did a super, super great job of keeping my feet dry. Hey, by the way, if you're doing some Christmas shopping, last minute Christmas gifts, make sure to check out our website, kickflipthreads.com, for some great gifts ideas for any skaters you may know. Hoodies are on sale right now, so skate warm, my friends, and thanks for watching.